Hello friends, welcome back to this channel. Today in this video I will show you how to insert calendar in Excel. So without wasting time, let's start video. If you find this video is helpful for you, then please give like this video and subscribe our channel. So let's start. So for inserting calendar, so firstly click on file, and here you can see more options, so just click on it, then click on options. So in Excel options you can see customize ribbon, so just click on it, and here you can see customize ribbon, and in customize ribbon you can see main tabs. So just scroll down, and here you can see developer options, so just click on it, and after selecting the developer options then click on OK. So here you can see developer tab is created, so click on developer tab and then click on add-ins. So after this, here you can see store, so just click on it, and after this write here calendar. So after writing the calendar, so just search these options, and here you can see different options: calendar based date loader and mini calendar and date picker. So it is very important functions, so just add this mini calendar and date picker, because from this calendar you can also pick any date. So click on add and then click on continue. So here you can see calendar is inserted. So if you want to change the position, so you can also change the position size of the calendar. So here you can see small circles, so just press the left side of mouse and you can change the position of the calendar. So if you want to change the size, so similarly you can also change the size. So here you can see calendar size option. So by this function you can change the calendar size. So by click on it you can see size is changed. So again click on it and you can see size is changed. So if you want to change the color of the or theme of the calendar, so just click on it and you can see theme is changed. So if you want to change the calendar system, so you can also change any system of calendar. So after changing, so you can also change the week number or range of date. So after this, here you can see this options. So by click on it, if you want to delete this calendar, so by click on it you can see a calendar is deleted. So if you want to again inserted the calendar, so just click on it, and here you can see add in. So after this you can see I have already loaded mini calendar, so just click on it and click on add. So you can see calendar is inserted. So if you want to pick any date from the calendar, so just select the cell where you want pick the date. So after this you can select any date. So when you will select any date, you can see date is inserted. Change the size of column, so you can see this date is inserted. So guys, in this way you can pick any date from the calendar. So guys, in this way you can insert calendar in Excel. So guys, if this video is helpful for you, then please give like this video and subscribe our channel. Thanks for watching.